So it looks like YouTube is trying to be TikTok now. I'm gonna talk about it. So yeah, according to an article by TechCrunch, whose link is going to be in the description of this video, by the way, so you can definitely check that article out. On Wednesday, YouTube kind of announced that it's going to be introducing a new feature to its mobile application that's going to give users the ability to upload 15-second long segmented videos, basically what you get on TikTok, via their YouTube mobile application. And with this new YouTube experience is basically what they're calling it. You're gonna basically be able to go into the application, hit the record button, pause, hit the record button, pause, and keep doing that until you have your 15-second segmented video processed. And then once it's uploaded into YouTube, they'll put those video clips together to create your short segmented 15-second video and basically give you the tools to add like music, could kind of deck it out and customize it and then upload it to your viewers. Again, very similar to what users experience when they're uploading videos to TikTok, one of the now more popular social media applications out there. And they're also saying that with this kind of rollout, if you wanted to upload longer videos than 15 seconds, it's not supported by this application any longer. You'd have to kind of record your video on the side, store it in your phone or device's gallery, and upload it via that portal. This is strictly for 15-second videos. Now, what I found interesting about the article is they didn't really disclose how they're going to release this content. See, YouTube is kind of a mismatch of content already. I mean, they have like YouTube stories, which is similar to the Instagram stories, if you're familiar with that, and they are released in a completely separate section than your regular YouTube feed. If you're scrolling through and a creator you follow releases its story, it's kind of popped up in its own little section. If a creator shares a post or something, that kind of pops up in its own little section within your feed itself. So they didn't really go into how this particular content is going to be distributed to subscribers. So if, for instance, I created a 15-second YouTube experience video, how would it be? Would it just appear on your feed? Would it appear only to subscribers? Would it be in landscape, or does it have to be recorded in portrait mode just like TikTok is? All this information still hasn't been released yet, even though they are currently beta testing the application. So maybe you follow a creator and you've realized recently that you're getting some 15-second videos from that creator. If you do, if you are, then comment down below, because I want to know exactly what that experience is like, because it doesn't sound like it would work too well on YouTube for me. It's kind of a mismatch of content on YouTube already. And what makes me even more apprehensive is that Google tries a lot of shit. They have literally a website dedicated to the amount of shit that they've tried and just kind of gotten rid of. They basically beta test their services on the public. So this is another kind of beta test rollout, that a feature that may not exist a couple of months or maybe even a year from now. And it's definitely no coincidence that they're rolling these features out now, considering that TikTok has recently just started to really monetize their platform. So they want to make sure they keep their creators happy and kind of go with the flow of where the popularity of social media is going. And it's definitely moving in the TikTok realm. So I can see why they're incorporating these features or actually testing these features out. I just don't know if it works well with the overall experience of YouTube. YouTube really relies on more longer form content, and short form content does definitely do well on YouTube, but for the most part, you're looking at maybe videos that are 4, 5, 6 minutes long. People are kind of used to watching on YouTube versus a 15-second clip on TikTok. That's what they built their platform on. So I don't know if it translates well over to this platform. It could be wrong. I'm not a marketing genius. I'm sure they have a room full of people figuring that out. So just my opinion. But I would definitely like to know what you guys think. Are you interested in seeing a TikTok type presentation on your YouTube application? Or do you think that a separation of your social media type platform content is more important? You go to TikTok to get TikTok type videos, you go to YouTube to get YouTube type videos, or would you rather see an amalgamation of both on one platform? Go ahead and comment in the comment section down below this video. Also, if you are a creator or subscribe to a creator that is a part of this beta testing and you've experienced these videos, I want to know what it's like. So comment in the comment section down below as well. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed the video, again, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button with the bell for notification, because it definitely helps out the channel. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, which is a fantastic and unbelievable milestone. So let's get over the hump. Subscribe, 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 share, like, comment. all that fun stuff. And you're going to be seeing a lot more of these commentary type videos, as well as our troubleshooting videos and our review videos, so you guys can have a more well-rounded picture of the tech space. I just want to make sure we can have some great tech conversations on this channel. That's what we're all about anyway. So again, thank you so much for checking out the video, and until next time, make sure to stay safe, and as always, peace out.